last page is you can add Pupil Awards, which means you can give an award to the whole class by add a new Pupil Award, click this drop down, and you can pick from each of these different awards, add the Pupil Award. You'll then have a pop-up to say the Great Behaviour Award has been successfully added. If you'd like to give an award for one specific child, you go into Manage Pupil area, Manage Pupils who can log in, click the blue plus on one of the children, and on the right hand side you can add the Pupil Award for that specific child. If you'd like to know more about the Pupil area, click on one of these videos to find out more.